First, power on/off instructions. After the device is powered on, press the power button to start the interactive flat panel. The startup animation will play, and once loading is complete, the main interface will appear. For screen sleep mode, touch the screen with 5 fingers simultaneously to enter sleep mode. To wake up the device, touch the screen with 5 fingers again. To shut down the device, press the power icon or the physical button. You can confirm shutdown by clicking the confirmation button or waiting for the countdown to complete. Second, main interface introduction. The screen displayed is the main interface of the interactive flat panel. Frequently used functions such as the whiteboard, wireless screen sharing, document management, and additional applications. It provides quick access to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, volume, and other settings. A detailed introduction to these features will be provided later. Third, sidebar introduction. Click any interface. Click the sidebar back icon to go back to the previous interface. Click any interface. Click on the sidebar home icon to return to the main screen. Click the task icon. Press the clear button to close all apps at once. Click the annotation icon to make annotations, which can be saved locally. Click the signal source icon to switch between different input sources when the interactive flat panel is connected to other devices. Click the toolbar icon to open the toolbar and access various tools, as shown. Click the split screen icon to enable split screen functionality, allowing different applications to be used simultaneously. Click the child lock icon to lock the screen and prevent any operations. Enter the child lock password to disable this mode. Click the power saving icon to put the screen into sleep mode. Press the power button to wake the screen. Click the screenshot icon to select a custom area for capturing a screenshot. The image is saved locally. Click the screen recording icon to start recording by pressing the black button. Click the magnifier icon to enlarge the display content for better visibility, as shown. Click the timer icon to set a countdown timer for meetings, ensuring better time management. Click the Customize icon to personalize the sidebar by selecting frequently used icons for a more convenient experience. Fourthly, System Menu Functions. Click the Settings icon in the bottom right corner to enter the System menu, which is divided into 5 categories: Network, General, Audiovisual, Smart, and System. Click the Network icon to configure wired and wireless connections, screen sharing hotspot, and Bluetooth settings. Click the General icon to customize themes, wallpaper, energy saving mode, regulating function. Under Settings, General, you can also manage startup settings, whiteboard threshold, applications, and blue light settings. Click the audiovisual icon to configure sound-related parameters. Click the Smart icon to adjust smart recognition, security settings, no signal standby, scheduled power on/off, power button functions, and startup channels. Click the System icon to select different input methods, switch system languages, restore factory settings, check system information, perform network upgrades, define smart pen functions, and set the system time. Fifth, whiteboard writing functions. Click the whiteboard icon. Click the pen icon to adjust the pen size and color. You can write directly using a stylus or your fingers. You can switch the color of the system for writing. Or choose the color for writing. Use 2-finger gestures to zoom in or out. Click the eraser icon to remove unwanted content. or use the selection eraser icon to erase selected areas. Click the undo or redo icons to revert the previous action or restore a reverted change. Click the search icon. You can copy the selected content, and it can be moved around in the whiteboard. What's more, you can also delete box selections. You can also search for the content selected in the box. Long press text or images from a web page to drag them into the whiteboard for further operations. Click the clear screen icon to erase all content at once. Click the page icon to add or delete whiteboard pages as needed. Select the Open File icon to load images into the whiteboard software. Enabling copying and other operations. Click the Save File icon to save whiteboard content in BZD, image, or PDF formats. Click the QR code Share icon to generate a QR code for sharing content, allowing users to scan and download whiteboard notes. Click the email icon to send whiteboard content via email. Click the background icon to change the background color and style. Click the whiteboard settings icon to enable the shapes and text functions. Click the shape function to select the shape, then you want to draw a standard shape. Click the Shapes icon to activate auto recognition, allowing you to sketch rough shapes with gestures, which will then be automatically converted into precise shapes. Click the Text icon to convert handwritten text into standard text automatically. Click the Whiteboard Settings icon to enable dual color pen mode. Long press the Clear icon to access threshold settings. Where you can adjust fine and thick pen thresholds and set different colors for each. This allows a single pen to write in two colors. Click the Whiteboard Settings icon to enable the Table function. Click the Table icon to set the desired number of rows and columns and create a table. Click the Ruler icon of the widget. Click the ruler to adjust its length and draw precise lines. Click the compass to adjust the angle between its arms and draw the desired circle. Click the protractor, slide it to adjust the angle, and draw the required angle. Click the triangle icon to resize the triangle to draw a standard right angle. Click the Whiteboard Settings icon to enable the Mind Map function and 4-wire grids. Create a mind map. Write down your ideas at different points, and add or remove content blocks as needed. Click the grid to standardize handwriting. Tap Whiteboard Settings to open time display and multi-touch features. You can see the time in the upper right corner. Click Multi-Touch function. the Smart Interactive Tablet can support 20-point touch. Click the split screen function to allow multiple users to write simultaneously. The whiteboard supports up to 4 screens for collaborative writing. Click Insert Window as shown in the figure. Click the File Transfer icon. Click the Voting Tool icon. After the machine generates a QR code, users can scan a QR code to create a poll. Exit Whiteboard. 6th, wireless screen mirroring. Before starting screen mirroring, ensure that the hotspot on the interactive flat panel is enabled. And connect the casting device to this hotspot. For iPhone users, open the Control Center, select Screen Mirroring, and choose the corresponding interactive flat panel to start casting successfully. Click on the wireless projection screen. Click to set. Open the projection code in Settings. For Android users, follow the on-screen instructions to scan a QR code and download the USB Display app. Once installed, open the app and either scan the QR code or enter the screen mirroring code to establish a connection. After the connection is successful, tap Cast to mirror the phone screen onto the interactive flat panel. For laptops, here's how to use a wireless casting device. First, plug the wireless casting device into the port located at the bottom left of the interactive flat panel and wait for automatic pairing and registration. Once registration is complete, a confirmation screen will appear. At this point, remove the casting device and insert it into the laptop's port. Once the laptop detects the device, press the button on the casting device, and the laptop screen will be mirrored to the interactive flat panel. Alternatively, screen mirroring can be achieved using the USB Display software. Download and install USB Display on your laptop. Open the software and enter the corresponding screen mirroring code to initiate mirroring. This setup allows for bidirectional interaction. If annotations are needed, access the side toolbar to activate the annotation feature and mark up the slides directly. 7th, document management. Access the document management feature to manage files stored internally on the interactive flat panel. External storage devices, such as USB drives, can also be connected for file management operations.